These felt animal videos are going absolutely viral right now. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make them completely free. Here is one that I created in just a few minutes. First, open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 viral felt animal video ideas." ChatGPT will generate 10 different ideas for you. For this example, I'm going with the first one. Now tell ChatGPT, write a detailed image prompt and a detailed video prompt for this idea. ChatGPT will instantly generate both prompts for you. Now copy the image prompt. Open Flow AI, choose Create Image, select your aspect ratio and number of outputs, paste the prompt, and click Generate. After a few seconds, you'll get an image like this. Here's how mine turned out. The felt bear is doing a household task, exactly the kind of scene that performs well on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Now let's animate it. Go to Create Video and select Frame to Video. Upload the image you just generated as the first frame. Then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. And it's that simple. Within minutes, you'll have a fully animated felt animal video ready to upload. Here are some other videos I created using the exact same workflow. The best part is that you can repeat this process with any animal, activity, or scenario and generate unlimited content ideas. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest viral AI video ideas and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.